Sky blue finish is heavily oxidized. We have extensive spiderweb cracking here and a deep impact chip approximately 40 centimeters after the bow.
Maintaining the pristine finish of a Pershing requires meticulous care. Here we focus on the anchor hardware, gently removing every trace of soul.
This foam is really lifting the grime.
Yeah, the blue is coming back nicely over here.
Using our premium marine glass solution ensures years of clarity and protection for your Pershing 5X. Watch as the high-pressure rinse reveals the stunning sky blue finish beneath years of oxidation.
This deep cleaning solution creates a rich lather, lifting the dirt and revealing the beautiful golden brown teak underneath.
This vacuum system removes years of accumulated dirt, leaving the carpet looking brand new.
As you can see, the switchgear shows significant oxidation. We're looking at extensive corrosion here, particularly on the trim tabs and the main engine controls.
Pass the tray over.
Here you go, ready to lift. Watch the leather.
Got this section loose.
I'll take it to the discard pile. We can start cleaning this area next.
As you can see, the fastener is now fully extracted. We can carefully lift the panel away now, ensuring no damage to the connectors. Carefully labeling each harness before removal to ensure seamless restoration of the navigation suite.
The cracked leather and the sagging ceiling panels show just how severe the moisture intrusion was. We're looking at a complete refit of this main
the wiring
cabinet.
harness on the starboard side.
Got it. Should I move this panel now?
Yes, take it to the staging area.
The Pershing 5X. A symbol of luxury, hiding a powerful, yet neglected, mechanical core.
As you can see, the emulsification process is already underway, dissolving years of buildup.
We need to ensure every component is accounted for before installation.
The inventory matches the schematic perfectly. We can start reassembly
Specialized rotary brush easily lifts the heavy oxidation from the aluminum brackets. Notice how the cleaning compound foams as the white flakes are
The damage here goes deeper than the gel coat. We have significant stress cracks emanating from this impact point.
The moisture levels here are significantly elevated.
The thermal imaging confirms saturation in that area. We should prioritize this section for repair. The 5X is completely stripped down. We've cleaned every surface, preparing her for the next phase of the rebuild. Make sure the alignment on the starboard side is perfect.
Got it. Checking the levels now.
Now clear on the starboard side.
Acknowledged, coming up slowly.
Look at that shine coming through. We'll have this looking brand new by the end of the day.
Precision is key when disassembling these marine power plants. Every component, from the craft to the rotating assembly, is meticulously cataloged and
Tools
inspected.
refine the journals to a mirror finish, ensuring peak performance for the Pershing 5X. Precision crosshatch honing ensures optimal performance by creating the perfect texture on the cylinder walls.
The alignment is precise.
Confirmed. We are ready for the next block.
Tolerance check on the top ring. Ensure the gap is within specification.
Okay, torque set to 50 foot-pounds.
Confirmed. Moving to the next bearing cap. The saturation looks perfect here.
Yeah, the resin flowed beautifully, no voids at all.
Yeah. We'll let this cure overnight.
As you can see, the fresh carbon weave is aligned perfectly before we apply the high gloss resin, restoring the yacht to Concord condition.
Right here.
Needs a little more feathering on the edge.
The Pershing 5X demands perfection. Our artisans use longboard sanding to ensure flawless
The level of
contours.
perfection we aim for.
Absolutely seamless.
passes uniform for the deep, wet look.
Witness the transformation as the sky blue hull receives its flawless, mirror-like finish. The second layer of marine clear coat provides unparalleled depth and a mirror-like finish. The Pershing 5X sky blue hull undergoes controlled curing in our climate-regulated finishing area.
Consistency here is outstanding.
Agreed. The readings match the target Delta E perfectly. It's flawless.
The weathered teak is carefully sanded, revealing the fresh wood beneath before we apply these marine oils to enrich the color
Pershing
and grain.
5X demands perfection. Our restoration process brings the stainless steel to an immaculate, brilliant shine.
Using our advanced marine glass polishing system, we meticulously remove the haze and water spots.
Stunning work on the turbos. Look at the finish on that manifold. They really spared no expense.
The alignment is perfect on the starboard side.
Checked. The clearance is precise.
Slowly now, just a few more inches. Clear on this side. Perfect. Set her down gently.
The braided hose along the rail.
Applying the final torque now.
Confirmed secure.
Okay, connect the sky blue wire to the sensor input labeled Helm 3.
Got it. Secure, click confirm.
Schematics show this connection point here.
All right, I have the torque wrench ready. It's perfectly aligned.
The radar calibration is complete, and the GPS lock is stable. Confirmed. All systems are nominal.
Okay, slowly now. Watch the corner.
Got it. Does that align with the trim?
Another perfect installation. The client will be thrilled.
Notice the depth of the glossy finish here. It truly highlights the intricate weave of the carbon fiber throughout the cockpit.
Light sequence check. Green is good.
Confirmed. Moving to deck accents now.
Slowly brushing the marine oil across the deck. It soaks deep into the grain, revealing the rich, beautiful color of the wood.
Looks good on this side.
Secured the clamps. The seal is perfect.
Check the edge here. Yeah, got it. Looks stunning.
The salon looks perfect.
Ready for final inspection, Captain.
The gloss on the hull is absolutely perfect.
Agreed. The glass and metalwork are pristine as well. Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Okay, easy now. Bring her down slowly. Woo, looking good. Almost there. Perfect alignment. Great job, everyone.
Experience the perfect balance of power and luxury. The Pershing 5X glides effortlessly towards the past in the wake. We embrace the open ocean. This is the ultimate freedom, the beginning of everything. Pershing 5X, where the horizon meets its match. Experience the ultimate tranquility.
Behold the Pershing 5X, with its flawless sky blue hull and expansive teak decking.
The dramatic high-speed pass of the Pershing 5X. It's a showcase of power, precision, and engineering excellence on the open water.